Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can customize your laptop home screen without this Rainmeter application. Still, you can get material UI widgets. For that, first of all, right click on your laptop home screen, then click on view and uncheck this option show desktop icons. First of all, I'll remove or unhide this desktop icon so that it will look good. Now I'll on my Windows search, I'll search for Windows Store. So I need to visit first Windows Store, and here I'll download and install an application called BeWidgets. So search for BeWidgets, and here you will see install option. You need to click on install, then click on open. So I'll minimize this is already installed on my computer. So when you first open this app on your desktop home screen, click on the new widget here. Yeah, when I click on the new widget, this is what it is appear, the time widget, and you can drag and leave anywhere on your screen. So wherever the position you like drag and leave it. And first of all, I'll name this as time, then click on customize. Okay, a customization window gets open. There are few options like center position, center y, x, etc. So what I'll do is I'll explain you. First of all, I'll minimize everything. So yeah, I'll be only keeping this customization window here, and I'll try to customize all the effects. See, you can change the position of this, means without manually, but you can simply drag and drop. Leave about this, and the width and height of this rectangular box you can adjust here. When you scroll down, there are few more options. It's like background color, foreground color, background corner radius. See, if you align the text at the center, it is looking good, so I'll keeping on align center at the text. And coming to this background, coming to the time text, so you can increase the font size and decrease the font size, and the font weight I'll keep it to bold so that it is looking good. I can keep it to italic, but not going to keep it italic. This is fine, normal is fine. Coming to the background color, choose the nearest color which suits your wallpaper. So this is the color, rose pink is the color what I like. This suits my background, so I'm just decreasing background corner radius so that it looks good. So this is absolutely you according to your taste and preference. So this is fine, and again I'll take a new widget, and now I'll take the weather widget and I'll name this as the weather widget. See here, yeah, first of all, let me name this as the weather widget. Okay, weather widget. And now I'll click on this customization, so you can also change the location. According to the location, this weather widget works. Okay, so this is the one. I can drag and leave it anywhere. Yes, I can keep it here, and I click on customize. Now currently it is showing under preferences, you will see the location set city. It is showing the city for New York location and the weather updates. I can keep it to my preferred location. Say for example, if I say something like California and click on add, the weather information gets changed. And not only that, I can click on to 24 hours. The way it is showing the temperatures or the weather information gets changed. And just like this time widget what we have customized, here also we can click on the background color under appearance and choose whatever color suits with the background. See here, the background wallpaper is pretty important. Choose material UI wallpaper and set it as your wallpaper. Then you can change the background corner radius according to your choice. And if you want to keep the text or the font in the bold, under font weight you can keep it to font. And for the text, see here, city text, I'll be keeping font weight to bold. Now it is looking a bit better. So first of all, on Google, search for the best suitable wallpaper and set it, then click on this add widgets. Now I'll choose the third widget as the finances. The procedure is pretty same. You need to click on the customization here. Click on the customization, and under preferences, see here there are see the background and the appearance, that is absolutely your choice. According to your taste and preference, you need to manage that. See here, visual text, background color, just as I shown you for the other two widgets, you need to just play or tweak with the options available. And as it is saying connecting, I'll be just saying this preferences option. See here, So light, normal. Okay, font weight I can keep normal. So when I scroll a bit bottom, yeah, all these options are similar. So what I'll do is I'll be just changing the symbol to something like, yeah, Tesla Inc. or ATHUSD. Okay, now this is fine. Now I can update this customization background colors. And please do let me know in the comments how you like about this widgets and the background, and what are the any other ideas. If you have, please do comment so that your comment will be useful.